Online learning at Carrington College is designed with real life in mind. Most of our students are juggling jobs, families, and busy schedules, so our programs are built to be flexible, supportive, and career-focused. Carrington College is an accredited institution. Accreditation indicates that the college meets the quality standards established by the accrediting body in terms of faculty, curriculum, administration, libraries, financial well-being, and student services. You'll use a platform called Canvas to access your course materials. It's available 24/7. You have a clear checklist of what's due and when, and you can even open your textbooks right inside the platform. So whether you're studying early in the morning or late at night, you can learn at the time that works best for you. Depending on your program, you may complete hands-on activities to apply what you've learned at home with supplies we provide. And you may need to record yourself for instructor feedback. In some cases, you'll train in virtual systems that simulate real medical settings, giving you practical experience from wherever you are. But it's not just reading and clicking. Online classes can include interactive elements like virtual discussions, live office hours where you can ask questions in real time, and other opportunities to connect with your classmates and instructors. You'll also connect with peers through forums, group projects, and study groups, so you won't be learning alone. And you can study on your own schedule. Assignments are due by a certain time, but when you work on them is up to you. That flexibility is what helps many of our students balance school with life. Our instructors are experienced in the fields they teach. They may have even walked the same path you're on, and they're here to support you every step of the way. You can reach them by email, instant message, or Microsoft Teams. They're accessible, responsive, and genuinely invested in your success. Canvas makes it easy to track your progress too. You can see your grades, feedback, and performance at any time, so there are no surprises. You'll have plenty of support throughout your journey, from a digital library with thousands of books, articles, and databases, to complimentary tutoring, financial service support, and mental health resources. We're here to help you succeed both in and out of the classroom. Earning your education online takes focus, but with the right support, you can do it. At Carrington College, you'll never go at it alone. With flexible tools, experienced instructors, and a community that's here for you, your goals are within reach. Carrington College, welcome to What's Next.